guys, it's Ellie and here I am back with another university-based video for you. So today I thought I would do a very relevant video for you guys, you freshers out there. I thought I'd film a video including all my top tips for new starting freshers. And tip number one is to have a life outside of university. Now what I mean about this is join a gym, join some extracurricular groups. This can be so rewarding not only socially but also you can pop it on the CV. It's very good for experience. This extracurricular activity could be to do with your course or it could be completely nothing to do with your course and it's just something you enjoy. I also suggest that you get yourself a little part-time job. Now I am aware that not every course allows you to get a job on the side, but I will say that it's brilliant for getting a few extra pennies in. We all know we're struggling students. The next one is another big one, and this is don't feel pressured to like everyone. When you're at uni, you're mixing with so many people from so many different backgrounds and so many different personalities of different age ranges. You're not going to get along with everybody. One of my friends said to me once, your vibe will attract your tribe. So just be yourself and you'll find a new group of friends right away. The next thing to acknowledge as well is that there is support out there, so please take advantage of it. Uni can be very overwhelming, like I said, it can be very stressful, so take advantage of the support that's there. Sometimes it can be easier if you are sharing the load. So that was our quick fire top tips for freshers. I hope you enjoyed it and have a fabulous first term. See you next time, bye!